Hey Shay, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a quick look at your website, you do have some really nice videos, photos, and the like showing exactly the different projects you have worked on. And of course, got a great header, got your logo, got the About Us, got all the different drop downs. The one thing that is missing is a click to call. So I know you have the free estimate and contact us, but none of them go straight to your number. So you want your number right here, just so someone can click it and quickly get on the phone with you. The quicker they do that, the better. So just going through your website, all the different services you provide, all the different remodeling, interior, exterior, which is awesome. All the happy customers, which that's amazing. You have that many, almost 1,500, and years of experience. Of course, you get them in contact with you as fast as possible. The different services that they can ask about, and of course, all the client testimonials, reviews, and then a nice footer with, once again, reiterating everything. Now, it is a really nice website. I don't see like a ton of content. I see a lot of pictures, a lot of really nice pictures, but I don't see a lot of words. I'm seeing around 500. What Google truly is looking for is around 1,500 to 2,000 words with a bunch of keywords mixed in. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that a customer would put into Google to find your specific service. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on with your website. So the way we do that is with Ahrefs. It allows us to take a peek behind the curtain. So the two things that are most important are the UR rating, which is your strength rating, and the DR rating, which is Google's trust it places in your website. Now, as you can see, your website has no strength rating, and it's only a 0.2 for the trust rating that Google places in it. The reason being is because of backlinks. So what a backlink is any link that leads back from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be a horrible link because that's extremely spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog or remodeling blog would be amazing because that's relevant to your service. Now, as I said before, another super important thing is that organic keywords, what buyer intent words you're actually ranking for, which as you can see, you're not ranking for any keywords, which means you're not getting any traffic and you're not getting any value through your website. So let's take a look at what one of those keywords would be, what one of those buyer intent. So flooring, Miami, Florida. Someone's looking for flooring if they put that in. First thing that pops up are your ads, your pay-per-clicks. These are the people that are paying to be on the front and center. So every time they answer a call from one of these numbers, they get charged. Now, second thing is the Google Map Pack. Now, the GMP is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three. Reason being, it's just the easiest thing to do. They don't have to search. They're the top three. They must be good. Now, then they get into organic rankings. So this is by strength of website. Now, first, you got your Yelp. Then you have your first competitor, which is Doral. And this is for hardware. I know you do a bunch of other services. It's just flooring is the easiest one. Doral Hardwood Flooring. That's going to be your biggest competitor in the flooring industry. So let's take a look at their website. So first thing, you see their nice header. They have their logo. They have their click to call right in the corner. They have all their different drop down products and services. And then all the different style flooring that they do, as well as a great font. I don't know. I just really like it. Doesn't help at all. It just makes it look pretty. And then, of course, the About Us, what they do, all their options. And then, as you can see, you really hit the bottom of the website here. So it's not really a big website. They don't have a terrible amount of content either. But let's see why they're number one for flooring. So if we take a look at their website, their UR rating, which is that strength rating again, is 9, and their Trust rating is a 2. So not that hot, but as you can see, what they're doing really well is those backlinks. They have 677 great backlinks to help them forward. Now, another thing they're doing really well is organic keywords. They have 781 buyer intent words throughout their site that they're ranking for. So let's check what their keywords are. This is just for the flooring industry. Floor Miami. 400 people search this, and they're in the first actual position. Wood flooring Miami. Second or first actual position. As you can see, the traffic they're getting from that is just between those two over 100 people. Now, flooring Miami, 400 people. They're still on the first page. That's why they're still getting 29 traffic. Hardwood floor. You can see the volume of the words that they're ranking for are amazing, which is why they're getting that much traffic through their site from those keywords. So if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, you got to up those backlinks. You want to have more backlinks than all your competition. So good thing is you already have all the backlinks right from your competition. They work. You know they work because they're ranking number 1. So you can take all the good backlinks from your competition and add them to your website. That's always a good way to do it. Another good way is always, as of course, you can start a blog to build your own content and build your own backlinks, because that's always relevant, as well as you want to get those 1,500 to 2,000 words. You need the content on your site with the organic keywords put in there, so Google knows to rank you for those buyer intent keywords. If you don't have the content on your site to show Google this is what I want to rank for, they're not going to rank you for anything. As you know, right now you don't have any keywords. So you put those keywords, you get that content up, you get those keywords in, you can start seeing that organic traffic come through and start getting more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can always reach back out. And if you can leave some feedback, I'm always looking to improve. That would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.